Right, so I'm only doing this video to educate you guys, the outcome of taking the training. You could basically go into the financial markets after and place your own trades, right? So always remember, guys, that trading the financial markets will always have risks. So always invest money that you could afford to lose and make sure it's a calculated risk investment, right? So after taking the training and I want to show you what you could do, coming into the financial markets, right? So this broker that we use currently, it's called OctaFX, and with this broker, they accept the USDT, TRC20, and other cryptos as well. But I've had a great experience with this broker. As you can see, I did a lot of small deposits and withdrawal just to test it out, and this is something you could do. So you don't need to go into no $1,000 account and thing and to trade. You could come in with a little minimum, with this particular broker, $50 minimum, $60. And that's good because when you do on a small account, it lets you get a feel of the market, in a real world scenario, right? And it also enforces the risk management in trading. So, opening 20 trade, trading at 0.02 and stuff like that, you could manage your trades a little more properly and grow from there. So we did this a test today on $64 invested into the account. All right. When I mean invested and deposited, right? So we just withdraw $51 and I want to show you what happened in the account. So that was this morning. And I just going to show you some of the take profit levels because the account is below $100. You have to trade at 0.01. Now I was monitoring these trades this morning. Certain confirmations I was looking for when trading, right? I got everything lined up, different pairs. I went in, guys. You could see the TPs hit. Remember, it's a small account. You can't trade too heavy in terms of high lot size. Okay, account could blow easily, right? Easily. So I just showing you what happened this morning. Everything went in the favor. I decided to close off the GBP card because I noticed that it was not going in the favor. So I took that off. So this is personal trade setups, and you all would have seen some videos as well that I posted as a particular pair card GPY, and I want to head over to TradingView. This is a site that 95 or 99% of traders use to analyze their charts, right, before implementing a trade. So this card GBP basically was something I actually did earlier today in the wee hours of the morning, the London session. And it worked out, guys. I mean, look how this thing went. Look at the entry. It went in the favor there. Then couple other ideas, look at this card chef as well. It had the GBP USD. Let me see if I could pull up the GBP USD. Right. Look at this. It went in the favor as well. Certain confirmations you had to wait on for that entry based on your trading style, of course. So this is the possibility, I was talking about. You're coming in at your own convenience. You could basically come in the markets and place a trade, right? You could come in and place a trade in the market. And it's the only a good way to really get a feel of that. You do a small account and try it out, right? So with this broker, I had good experience, but it's online we're talking about, so there's risk all sides. But the faster you can get your money out and stuff, it's good, right? So this is just a little inside information, you're interested, and you don't need no big sets of money to get started. The training actually is 500 TT, right? And you could fund your broker after with $60, $50 USDT and try it out because you had to start a practice and it's how to start taking notes. That's really, really important, creating a journal. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And this is just a little um, information I shared on a small account here. And let me know what you think about it.